Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Prerna teacher and I teach you EVS subject. Today we are going to study a new concept, that is insects. Now what are insects? Let us learn. Small animals or the small tiny creatures are known as insects. What are insects? The small tiny animals, or they are called as tiny creatures. They are known as insects. Now, insects has 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs and tiny wings. With that they can fly and walk. They have 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs, tiny wings and 2 antennas. What they have? They have 8 legs, small wings and 2 antennas. Now let us see the names of these small creatures or the tiny animals. The first one is very familiar to you. Do you like seeing butterflies? There are various colors of butterflies. Okay, they fly in the sky with their small tiny wings. They have 2 antennas and small legs. Okay, so the first tiny creature of our insect was butterfly. Second is ant. If we spoil anything and put it down, or while we eat a biscuit and a small bit falls down, what comes there? There comes an ant. The small ants. They have tiny legs and they are also tiny. They come and eat it and gather their food for their next coming period. Okay, so there are 2 colors of ants, that is black and red. Next one is the honeybee. Honeybee is in yellow and black color. We find the honeybees over the honeycomb. We get honey through this honeybees. They are also small. They have wings and 2 antennas. They do a lot of work and they gather nectar from the sunflower and make honey. She is very hardworking. Okay, and the next is spider. Have you seen the film Spider-Man? Yes. So the next insect is spider. Spider also has 8 legs. Okay, it forms a web. Okay, it is known as spider web. Next is grasshopper. Grasshopper is green in color and it is mostly found in grass or on the trees. Next is the cockroach. Cockroaches are found where there is a lot of waste and waste materials. Next is the caterpillar. Caterpillar is the baby of butterfly. First it comes to caterpillar and after some time it forms into butterfly. Mosquito. Mosquito bites us at night when there is evening, and if we keep our doors and windows open, we find a lot of mosquitoes and they come and bite us. Housefly, where if we go to market and we find the open food in the street, we can find there house flies. Then the ladybird. The ladybird we can find in trees, leaves. Okay, so these are some insects that are found in home as well as on the street and also on the nature, that is trees, in jungle, on grass and everywhere. So this was our topic for insects. Let us see the names once more. Butterfly, ant, honeybee, spider, grasshopper, cockroach, caterpillar, mosquito, housefly, and ladybird. There are also more insects that we will study in more detail in the higher grades. But for now, we have studied the 10 names of the insects. Hope you all have understood and recalled the names of the insects. Thank you.